Hi, I'm Michelle Burkholder, Director of Elementary Education for the Neshaminy School District. Today we're here at Tawanka Elementary with all of our teachers, K through 4, working on a variety of activities through professional development. One of the activities is specific to Divine STEM, which is a platform that identifies project-based learning and tasks that are curriculum and real-world embedded activities. Project-based learning is an approach that involves solving real-world challenges or problems. Students are engaged in the problem and attain a more in-depth understanding of the topics they explore. Project-based learning helps students apply what they have learned on a deeper level and develop skills that make them successful in college and beyond. By using Define STEM, we are utilizing the project-based learning through their performance tasks. Define STEM allows teachers to customize assignments to meet the needs of all of their students. These tasks are cross-curricular in nature and cover a variety of subjects that help students apply their knowledge from many different areas, just like they would in the real world. Last year, we had a number of project-based learning activities that were completed at each elementary school, from hydroponics to weather reporting and expanding through presentation using technology and the green screen. This year, teachers are exploring additional projects that they can introduce to students throughout the curriculum. For an example, we are looking at 4th grade teachers exploring the Aquarium Designer. As teachers are designing different project-based learning activities, they're going to have students create a product. There are 3 main pieces that we look at: detailed outline of their brainstorming ideas, a plan on how the students will move forward in creating a product, and then finally they will submit their product. They will have a final reflection piece after their product is completed. This is for kindergarten through 4th grade, so all this will be adapted for the younger grades. We will have all students creating products in the end.